Shadows whispering his name. It's no wonder he's the first. He will make your life worse. He loves your pain. She goes dashing for the wall, never lets go of the ball. This is your fate. 'Cause we risk it all just to win this fight. But victory lies in the hands of the creature of the night. From the depths he came, life will never be the same. You'll hear his name, and you'll know it's more disdain. He'll destroy your fame, he's the first to call you lame. You'll hear his name, and you'll know it's more disdain. It's more disdain. He hides in a bush, got it all figured out. His plan is to die, trying to take down Sprout. He's the one who starts the scheme, he's forever on your team, he's on your head. Once you think you're on a roll, Mortis summons all the trolls. This is your fate. 'Cause we risk it all just to win this fight. But victory lies in the hands of the creature of the night. From the depths he came, life will never be the same. You'll hear his name, and you'll know it's more disdain. So profane, and there's no stopping this train. You'll hear his name, and you'll know it's more disdain. 'Cause we risk it all just to win this fight. But he'll keep pushing your team behind. Yeah, you see your life slip away like sand.